got the parts for the turbine. We've got some discs like this, and they've got slots in them. You can hardly see them. This hole is for the bearing. These are for the pulley. They'll bolt onto there. And here's a wing. I'm having these holes for the pop rivets pre-drilled in there, and then I've got some slots in here to accommodate any inaccuracies. So we'll see how it goes. I think the procedure I'm going to follow is I'm going to lay that on a stool and put the side panels on and try to work the other wings in. It's going to be a little bit fiddly, but hopefully we'll get it done. Let's see. I want this to go clockwise. That goes towards the outside. Like that. So the tolerances were a little bit tight on these. Probably could stand to loosen it up a little bit. Let's try that again. Okay, I'll put the bottom part on first, then stack these up. So that way those stay in the slots. Then I put this vertically like this, and I think it goes like so. And now it's just a matter of laying this top on. Okay, we're very close. It's just this one is giving me a little trouble. So. I think the tab, oh, there we go. Hey, all right. Now if I just push on these like so, then the slots engage and it should hold itself together. Some of these tabs are just a little bit tight, so I had to just gently pull up on them as I pushed them so that these things can be fully engaged. So the goal is to get these holes lined up with the slots so I can push a pop rivet through. And then I've got these little washers that go on the end here so I can pull the wings together. Before I pull all the pop rivets, I want to make sure they all fit in place and that the holes would line up. And now I'm going to start, I'll put a washer on here and then pull these panels together. I'll probably start where it's fairly tight and then just work my way up. Looking at about 1 meter per second of wind, not a whole lot. There's a puff coming. There's two. Feels like it's coming from my back. Get out of the way here. Two and a half, 3.2 it was up to. at 3.2. Okay, the wind turbine is in place. We've got our anchors. Got the generator on here. And it likes to turn. And I've got it hooked into this electrical box, and we are at 104 watt hours. So we'll watch that number and see if we get any energy out of this thing. Okay, we're looking at 2.3 watts. Just had a little puff. It's the first energy I've seen from it. Got a little umbrella for the bearing there. At that speed we're getting 30 milliamps. I'm quite happy to be getting anything on this light wind. So it seems to do pretty good with light winds.